This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the source clip and marking the exact start and end times. Precision saves time later. Once you have times, open your editor or FFmpeg so you can extract directly. Make sure the target project's sample rate and file format are noted because mismatches cause sync or quality issues. You'll also prepare the destination project and a safe working folder. Now that tools and specs are ready, proceed to extract the audio cleanly. You extract the segment using a command or your editor. For example, FFmpeg copies audio faster, while Audacity gives visual cleanup options. Once extracted, convert to the project's sample rate to avoid pitch or speed shifts, and choose a lossless interim format like WAV when possible. If you detached in a non-linear editor, trim handles and export audio only. Make sure levels are sane before import. Normalize lightly if necessary. After conversion, you're ready to place it into the target timeline. You import the file and line up waveforms or timecode to sync precisely. If no timecode, use visual or clap peaks as guides. Once aligned, adjust gain and equalization to match the destination audio tone, and apply gentle noise reduction only when needed so you don't remove character. Use short crossfades to hide edits. Finally, export the mix with the project's original settings and save stems. If sync drifts, recheck sample rate and re-export. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.